Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript functions. A JavaScript function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. Let's say just come in here and type in script tag, and I'm gonna type in here function followed by name of the function, say print, and with parentheses followed by curly braces, and here I'm gonna type console log hello world. Let's make it SW, short of hello world. Hit save. We don't have any logs in our console because we haven't called this function yet. Let's come in here and type SW followed by parentheses, and we need these parentheses to initiate the function. Hit save and we get hello world. You can also assign parameters to any of the functions. Say I'm gonna add in here two variables, say let me undo it for now. I'm gonna come in here, say x comma y, and now it will receive two variables. And let's come in here and type in x plus y. We are gonna add in here two numbers and log the result to our console, and come in here, say 5 comma 5. Hit save and we get 10. That's the power of the function. You can reuse code, define the code once and use it many times. That's why we normally use functions. You can also use functions as variables. Let's say come in here and type in return x plus y, and I'm gonna assign the value of our function to say let or const x is equal to our function. Hit save, paste, and then I'm gonna console log our x and hit save. We got the same. Or let's make it not 5, let's make it 8. Hit save. Now we get 13. What's happening here is we declared a variable which is x here, and that is equals to our function. Now our function receives two parameters, two numbers, that will add and return the numbers and assign this returned value to our x variable, and then we are logging the value of the x to our console. And this is how it works. Variables declared within a JavaScript function become local to the function. Local variables can only be accessed from within the function. We cannot access any of the variable which is declared within the scope of this function outside the block of this function. And that ends the video here. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.